and you will have to add the package. And what is the error here? Let me run this once again. It is giving, okay, no issue. I will first of all fix it. Actually the error is this place marks, this location is available in both the package. Both the package means geocoding and permission handler. So I will have to add extra prefix. So how can we that? How can we add that? Let's see, as loc. Okay, so what I will do, I will add dot loc. Okay, and here also dot loc. Error has gone again. So dot loc, error has gone. Okay, and for showing the address, let me run this once again. Meanwhile it is running in the background. Let me show the proper address with the help of coordinates. Here this method asks for latitude and longitude. I am already getting latitude and longitude. What I will do, I will call this method and pass latitude and longitude inside this. What it will do, place marks, list of place marks. I created a place marks. The type is list. It is actually list of place marks. It is asking to install it. Place mark for coordinates. What it will ask, again latitude and longitude, and then what I am going to do, I am just choosing the first position of this place marks, and then inside this address I'm adding place.street, place.locality, place.postal code, place.country, and returning this address. So what I will do, I will call this method get address here, and I will call this latitude here and longitude here. Okay, and then I will create another variable, sorry, another variable which is string type, and I will give a name like full address. Initially it is empty, and I will type this here, text full address, sorry, yes, full address. And what it will return, it will get address will return string. Like here it is returning full address, here it is returning if it is not fetching any kind of address, if there is any issue inside this catch. So what I will do, I will use full address here, dot to string. Okay, so when this method will call, it will come inside this, and it will call this method, and it will return full address, and set state will set my address here. So let me run this once again. Yeah, let me have this now instance of future string. Okay, Let me check this. Should I call it here instead of? I will not return anything. Okay, okay. I will do print here. No address available. Okay, what I will do, full address, sorry, set state full address equal to address. Okay, let me run this once again. Okay, let me tap this. Let me print this. Let's see what happens. Okay, okay, I haven't call it here, so for this I will have to call it here. Yes, get address. Yes, get address, and in place of latitude I will to add latitude and this longitude. Okay, let me run this once again. Here it is, the address is coming, it is Bengaluru, and this is the postal code, and this is country. And yes, that's it in this video, and I will put the code on GitHub and will share the link with you. And with this permission also, I will add all the code on GitHub. You can check that. So in this video, that's it for now. Hope to see you next time in our next video. Bye for now.